Hey, today I just wanted to show you how to see how many pages are printed on a Canon imageCLASS printer. Any Canon laser, all-in-one should have a very similar process in order to find out how many pages were printed on a printer. For example, this one had a high page count, and for me to see how many pages were printed, I'll just go to the status monitor button right here on the control panel. Then I'll select the device status and press OK. Then scroll down to check calendar, and it's going to display how many pages were printed. For example, this printer has already printed 67,981 pages, and that's very good for a printer this size. They go. I printed a page right now, and it looks very good. The user data page. And it's very good quality print. The ink doesn't, the toner doesn't smear, so for me that's an indicator that the fuser is still okay. So I'll just keep on using it. But that's basically, that's how you check how many pages were printed. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We're going to post more things related to printers and this particular model too. Thank you.